Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute hashtags from your home timeline on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to customize your Twitter experience and manage the content you see on your feed. To get started, click on More from the side navigation menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Safety tab and click on Mute and Block. Within the Mute and Block settings, locate and click on Muted Words. Click on the plus icon to add a new muted word. Enter the hashtag you'd like to mute, and then select Home Timeline to specify where the mute will apply. Choose from People you don't follow to specify that the muted hashtag applies to tweets from users you are not following. Under Mute Timing, select the duration for the mute. Forever, 24 hours from now, 7 days from now, or 30 days from now. Once you've made your selections, click on Save to apply the mute settings. By following these steps, you can effectively control the content you see on your Twitter feed by muting specific hashtags. Enjoy a more tailored and personalized Twitter experience by managing your muted words and hashtags. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on how to make the most out of your social media experience on Twitter.